Plastic foundation is a popular option in beekeeping, providing a pre-formed hexagonal base for bees to build their comb. It's an alternative to traditional beeswax foundation or going entirely foundationless. Uses of plastic foundation: comb building support. It gives bees a stable, pre-patterned surface to extend wax and construct honeycomb, making comb building more efficient. Structural stability. Plastic foundation strengthens the comb, making frames more robust for hive management, transportation, and mechanized honey extraction, as it's less prone to breakage or blowouts during extraction compared to wax foundation. Beekeeping efficiency. It can reduce the time bees spend building comb, allowing colonies to focus on honey production or brood rearing more quickly. Pest resistance. Plastic is less susceptible to damage from wax moths and other pests that can tunnel through beeswax or wood. Easy cleaning and reuse. Plastic foundation can be cleaned and disinfected at high temperatures, though not usually boiled like wood, making hive management and disease prevention easier. It's durable and reusable for many years. Visibility for inspection. Black plastic foundation, in particular, provides a stark contrast that makes it easier to spot bee eggs and larvae during inspections. Compatibility. It's suitable for various bee species and can be designed to work with